Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom thumbnails on YouTube videos. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your YouTube channel. So basically, you will need just to access the youtube.com and connect in or log in with your channel. And then we will need just to access our YouTube studio or the creator tools of YouTube. So you can either start creating and go and click on upload video, or you can just go to your profile picture here, and then you will need just to go to YouTube Studio. After clicking here, it will take you to the YouTube Studio where you can supervise your channel. So from here, you will be able to upload videos and change thumbnails for your videos. So basically, first you will need just to have the eligibility to create custom thumbnails on videos. So you will need to verify your account. To do so, you will need just to go to settings from here, and then we will need just to go to channel. After that, we go here on feature eligibility, and we can see that we have three type of features. The first one is the standard one. Just you will be able to only video uploads. You can create playlists, add collaboration to playlists, etc. And the second or intermediate feature is to be able to upload over 15 minutes videos and of course custom thumbnails and live stream. To do so, you will click from here and then you will need just to click on verify phone number. After clicking on verify phone number, you will need just to add your number. You select the country and then just text me the verification number. You click on get code. You add your own code that have sent to your phone number, and then you will be or you will have your phone number that will be verified successfully, and then you will be able to start customizing thumbnails on your YouTube videos. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.